Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making garlic butter shrimp and broccoli. This is a super easy recipe, quick, and it has big flavor. If you're interested on seeing how it's done, keep on watching. Also, if you're new, be sure to subscribe and let's get started. All right, guys, here's what you need to make today's recipe. I'm using 2 pounds of frozen broccoli. You can use fresh as well. I'm using 1.5 pounds of large and deveined shrimp. Also, I'll be using some chicken broth, a little bit of it. Also, we have some honey, garlic, soy sauce, and these are the seasoning I'll be using. Onion and garlic powder, paprika, creole seasoning, Italian seasoning. I'll be using some white rice, vinegar, unsalted butter. I have some honey and oyster sauce, as well as some teriyaki sauce, which is not there, but we'll add some later. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to drizzle some olive oil to the shrimp, mix that together, and sprinkle my seasoning on there and mix it up together. Now that we have the shrimp nice and well seasoned, it's time to cook the shrimp. I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil to my wok, and then I am going to cook the shrimp. You know, shrimp doesn't really take a long time to cook, so I'll be cooking my shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes because I'll be adding it later on back in the pot. So just for a few minutes. Once you see the tail of the shrimp are kind of like pinkish, just flip it over, okay? So now we're going to give it a nice stir just to flip them over, allow the other side to cook. And once that is done cooking, we are going to remove the shrimp and set it aside. Now the shrimp is done, I am going to set it aside. It's looking good and it's smelling amazing, okay? Now it's time to cook the broccoli. Like I said, you can use frozen broccoli or fresh. I suggest you use fresh broccoli because, honey, if you don't thaw your broccoli enough, it's going to be a hot mess, okay? So I am going to add about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter to my wok. Allow that to melt. Then I am going to cook the garlic. Now, once the garlic has started to fragrance a little bit, I am going to pour in the sauces. I'm pouring in the oyster sauce, and also I'm going to pour in the honey as well as some soy sauce. Of course, you can add your teriyaki sauce in there as well, but I'll leave that for later, okay? Give that a stir just like so. And this is the soy sauce. And I added the white rice vinegar and as well as the chicken broth. Now I'm going to be adding the broccoli and just Put your broccoli in there and give it a nice toss. You are going to cook your broccoli to your liking. Some people like it super, super soft, like really soft, or some people like it crunchy, or if you like the natural taste of the broccoli, just toss it for a few minutes. It's up to you, okay? You can taste it as you go. Now I'm going to add the shrimp back in. Yes, the shrimp is looking absolutely delicious right now, right? I know. Now I am going to be adding the teriyaki sauce. The teriyaki sauce honestly is a bonus, a plus, but it's not. If you don't have it, you don't have to go out your way to buy it. And yeah, basically, I am going to toss everything together, allow it to simmer or steam for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then I am going to sprinkle some salt and pepper to this. And basically, you guys, this is the recipe. This recipe is so easy, extremely easy. And it tastes amazing. The flavors are bomb. You can just put this on the side of white rice if you want. Or you can eat it like that if you're the type of person who's on a keto diet. You can just eat this by itself. It tastes so bomb. The flavors are absolutely amazing. And yeah, I added some teriyaki sauce on there, but that is the dish. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a like for me, guys. I appreciate you guys for doing that. Also, if you have not done hitting the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button for me. I will greatly appreciate it because I do show you guys amazing recipes here. Quick and easy, of course. If you're the type of person who's looking for easy recipes, please hit the subscribe button. I promise you, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching. I'll